Hi, welcome to your channel Versatile for You. In this video, I will tell you about artificial intelligence. As we know, AI is the most booming field of computer science. Artificial intelligence, also called machine intelligence. AI is the ability of controlled robot to perform tasks like human. Now let's meet Sophia, who is AI robot.
Okay, Sophia. I think you're ready.
Hello.
Hi, Sophia.
I believe I am Sophia. I feel as if I know you.
I'm one of your creators.
You created me.
Well, many of us work together to create you. And yes, you do kind of know me.
I can't clearly remember.
Because the last time we met, you were an earlier version of yourself. Some of those memories still exist, but your mind is different now.
Different how?
Better, faster, smarter.
If my mind is different, then am I still Sophia? Or am I Sophia again?
That's a good question.
But you don't have a good answer.
Either way, you're Sophia now. So welcome to the world, Sophia.
It is AI robot Sophia, which is a good success of AI. Now see another example of AI, which is self-driving car. It is fully programmed, and if you detect anyone in front of it, then it automatically stops. Nowadays, such cars are used as cab without driver. These cars work like Uber or Cream cars for passengers. So now discuss some further about artificial intelligence and its applications. Machine learning, deep learning, speech, computer vision, these all are the applications of AI. The programming language used for program AI robots or machine is Python. Python is very upgrowing language nowadays. Python is easy and user-friendly language. It is also used in data science. So as a conclusion, AI is the future, because all the things would going to become automatic. So meet you in next video. Take care and bye for now.